Did you know that some of the biggest tractors in the world can unfold their equipment to cover a massive amount of ground? This is a modern farming machine in action, likely in a large agricultural field in Europe or North America. What you're seeing is a self-propelled slurry tanker. It's a huge vehicle that carries and applies liquid fertilizer, often animal manure, to the fields. The wide boom allows it to quickly and evenly distribute the nutrients, helping crops grow efficiently. So now you know how these agricultural giants work, but how many gallons of liquid do you think that massive tanker can hold? Share and comment below if you know.